Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my August Stitch Fix and also my Walmart beauty box. I was gonna throw this in here in this video because I didn't want to make a video separate from it. So yeah, we'll see what's in this. I think it comes quarterly. So we'll see what's in this season's, I think it's the summer box. And let's get into Stitch Fix. Oh, and if you guys don't know what Stitch Fix is, this is this month's box. It's a pretty hefty box and it feels heavy. So I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and tear into it. Yeah, it just came in today, so I was super excited. I was like, I need to do this today. I can't wait. And it happened that I'm also off from work today, so it's perfect. All right, so it is a pretty hefty, thick bundle. Look at this, guys. I see some jeans in there. I see some kind of jacket. I see floral. I see lots of goodies in here. That is exciting. It is heavy. I don't think my packet has ever been this hefty and heavy. Here's the envelope so that I can send back anything I don't want to keep. And then here's my little note from my stylist on here, and then it shows me how to pair the items that I got. I'll read the note later and we'll see what that says. And then this is my little envelope with the prices for everything. So let's see, guys, I'm excited. Let's tear into it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to pick up are these jeans. More jeans, yay. I love getting jeans from Stitch Fix. I don't know why, but they always fit really, really well. So these are Judy Blue jeans, Judy Blue Los Angeles. And these are the Adela Distressed Girlfriend jean. Super cute. I love that they're distressed. How awesome is that? I love distressed jeans. And they're skinnies, like I like them. So I will try these on and hopefully they fit me. We'll see. Super, super cute. I like them, and they feel like really good quality. So I'll try these on, let you know what I think of them. The next thing in here is this a jacket? I think it's a jacket, guys. I don't think I've ever owned a jacket like this. This feels like really nice quality. First of all, I like it. It's like a mustard yellow jacket. Here it is. It's a little wrinkly right now. Can y'all see it? I don't even know. Can you see it okay? There we go. It's got a hood, so that's cool. It's detachable, the hood. And it's got lots of different pockets. It's long. It's got like snaps and a zipper. There we go. Love the color. Super fall. Let's see what this is called. I don't really have a name for it. Here it is. This is by Tinsel. It's a Chaplain lightweight cargo jacket in mustard. I'm actually super excited for this. Oh, I didn't give y'all prices. Okay, let's look at the jeans first. I feel like this will be a little pricier because it is a jacket, and the jeans will be a little pricier because they are jeans. Oh, okay. So the jeans were, let's see, Judy Blue. The jeans were $58, so not too crazy. And the jacket is, $88. So I don't think that's too bad for a jacket, guys. I really, really don't. So I'll try this on, and I think it's perfect for fall coming up. You know, Texas fall. Probably in December, who knows? But I think that's super cute. Ooh, the next thing I see is a floral. Oh, okay. This is a little kind of 3/4. It's a knit jersey. I don't know. It's kind of like a knit, like super soft knit fabric. 3/4 sleeve, off the shoulder a little bit. Love the color and the cut. It's got like this ruching right here on the side. And that really like helps you look slimmer. And yeah, I'm actually excited to try this dress on. And it's kind of a straight cut, like a short and a straight cut. And I love the feel of it. I just love this fabric because it's always like super, super soft. So this is French by French Gray. Celine off the shoulder brushed knit dress. Let's see how much that one is. Where's my little... I always lose stuff, guys. I need to keep everything. Oh, I left it on the table. Celine, let's see how much you are. The French gray. So this dress is $48. Yeah, we'll try it on and see what we think. All right. Next thing I see is another floral item. It's more of a like chiffon fabric. It's a top, super cute. Just a plain little top like that. It's got like a little, kind of like a bell sleeve maybe, or just like a wider sleeve. It's got a little zipper on the back, right here, and it's wine, or like is it a wine color? We call it wine at my store, but burgundy. It's a burgundy with like mustardy flowers and olive. I love these fall colors. So pretty. Like, look at these. This is so cute. And like, I feel like you can pair this jacket with any of these items. Super adorable. So I will try that on. I'll let you know what I think of that. Let's see how much it is first of all. So this is it's by Paper Moon. Larry crew neck blouse. So let's see. This is $44. And the last thing in here is a striped top, which I love stripes. Stripes and floral are like my favorite right now. And I love the colors, how it's paired with like a solid mustard color. And it's got like a little button on the side here. Super adorable. And it's like a knit material, and it's longer as well, which I love because I'm tall and I've got a long torso. So anything that's long fits me the best. And it's got a little pocket on the front too with this little detail right here with a little button. And yeah, it feels super, super comfy. And this is, let's see how much, this is by Staccato, and it's called a Madeline, let's say that right. Madeline roll tab knit top. And this is $44. So everything it's kind of pricey for every single item, but I feel like they all feel like really nice quality. So like all the items that I've gotten feel great. We shall see what they look like on and if I'm gonna like everything or not. So let me tell you guys how much everything costs. So for everything, the total is $282. Woo! If I buy everything, it's 25% off, so that will be $70 off. So that will be $211 plus the styling fee that gets applied in the beginning, gets credited back to you. So my order total would be $191.50 for everything. So, I mean, that's pretty hefty, but those are some cute items. We'll try them on and I'll tell you guys what I think and if I'm going to keep everything. All right, so I'm wearing the dress and the jacket, but final thoughts. I don't know if I'm going to keep the jeans just because, like I said, I already have so many new jeans that I haven't really been wearing, and these are pretty similar to another pair that I sent before. The shirt I really like. I think it's super cute. So the dress that I'm wearing, I'm not like 100% sure if I like it. Like, I like it because it's nice and fitted, but I feel like I just need to work out more for me to wear this dress. I am going to the gym, so hopefully soon I'll have like a nice body, but as of right now I kind of feel uncomfortable with it. Like, I feel like I have to be sucking it in all the time, or just wear some Spanx underneath. But it's super comfy. I mean, other than that, it's comfy. So I'm not 100% sure about the dress. For sure I'm keeping the jacket, even though it's $80. I think it's a good price for a jacket. This I really like. The top, this is $44. I still think it's pretty expensive for this top. So, and then the other floral top, which I kind of left in the bathroom when I was changing, that one I'm not 100%. I really like the print and I think it's a pretty top. I just said we sell, like, I work in retail, so I have tops similar to that we sell for like $29 to like $35, and I also get 40% off. So you know, I would rather buy something from there that's very, very similar for way cheaper than pay, how much is that one? $44 for it, which it's a little pricey for that kind of top. So I think from everything I might keep the jacket and the shirt and maybe the dress. So yeah. Oh, I didn't unbox my, let's unbox my Walmart box before we leave. Okay, let's do this real quick. I'm gonna unbox my Walmart beauty box and see what's in it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is only $5, FYI. If you do wanna subscribe to the Walmart beauty box, I don't know who else is subscribed to it, but it's $5, and that's why I'm like, you know, it's nice to keep being subscribed to it because it's really not that expensive, and it's a little cute box every quarter. So this is Embrace Your Beauty, this summer's product at Walmart. Love the print on this little thing, very summery. So this is the corally kind of box. Ooh, and for $5, let's see what we get inside. First of all, you get a, this is seriously $5, guys. You get a full-size infallible liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal in black. How amazing is that? Full price, guys. Full size. And this box is already paid for because I'm sure that's probably like $7. Who knows? Okay. Are these all full size too? This is L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. Purify 3 pure clays, eucalyptus, exfoliate, brighten. So I don't know how this works, but it's a multi-mask clay kit. They're like little pots like that. So that's exciting. All right, let's see what else is in here. Another full-size product. This, I am like amazed. This is 2 full-size products, guys. And then this is a pretty good amount for 3 little masks. And this is the, so this is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara in Black is Black. And yeah, voluptuous volume and length. So that's the mascara right here, full-size product. Can't wait to try that because I actually needed a new mascara. I'm running out of mine. And then you've got a couple little things in here that are at the bottom, and I actually see a pouch, so I'll show you that in a second. So there's this little card, Camila Cabello. Stop. You get her album for free. Is that what it is? It says to redeem this album, visit, and it tells you what to do and put the access code. Okay, so you pretty much get a free disc by Camila Cabello. Okay, that's cool. The next thing in here is just a couple little packets, foil packets. So this is Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Treat 1-Minute Hair Mask. That's exciting. Woo, I love Garnier. Another Garnier, but it's a Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. So another mask. That's nice. And then you get a couple little coupons in here. And Kleenex wet wipes. 1 wet wipe for you to use. Pretty amazing. And at the bottom, you get a little makeup pouch. And this is Camila Cabello. And it's a L'Oreal little pouch. So maybe Camila Cabello. Does she have something to do with L'Oreal? I honestly don't know. But that's pretty cool. I think this is her signature. It's a little black makeup pouch. Very nice. I'm actually really, really impressed, guys. Like, this is just $5. Like, this box was $5. Let me just say that again. I'm going to leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this box at all. But this was the summer box. And like I said, it only comes quarterly. So you get summer, winter, spring, and fall. I probably said that out of order. But yeah, lots and lots and lots and lots of products. Full-size products. And I'm pretty sure this box was in collaboration with Camila Cabello and L'Oreal. So I love it. This was like probably one of the best Walmart boxes I've ever gotten since I've been subscribed to them. All right, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I leave all the links down below for everything. The Stitch Fix link and my Walmart beauty box link. So yeah, you guys go ahead and do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.